guys, today is an unboxing of FIFA 13, which I purchased from Game.net, pre-ordered 4 or 5 days ago. Came in the exact date, which is today, the release date of FIFA 13. See Messi's on the front cover, Chamberlain, Joe Hart. This is free plus as well, and plus there's a special feature of PlayStation 3, which is PlayStation Move. Yeah. And also it says join the club. I don't know what's that about. Okay. It's like any other FIFA game. It's got these three colours and stuff. And plus, as I purchased from Game, they gave me a special feature which be eligible play with the Ultimate Team. It might be online as well, so that'd be great. Basically, the Ultimate Team is all the best players in the world in one team. Yeah, you get a special team like that. Let's open it up. It's a nice one, brand new. Yeah, same as any other disc. No manual. Yep. It's a bit like there's a menu. More like FIFA 12. Wow. What's this? Manage your club. Okay. My activation code's over here, so I'll show you that. Yeah, this is the online pass. Yeah, it's behind it, so I will show you that. Yeah, there ain't no menu actually. Just a little leaflet kind of thing, you know, crap. Let's put the game in. Let's get the controller out. This is the PlayStation Move controllers that I can play with. Let's take out FIFA straight. FIFA 13. Let's see how it starts up. What is here? Oh, that's the new feature thing, yeah? It's great. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. I gotta play with it. Come on. You can see Messi's in front of her. Checking trophies. I think we'll stop the video here, you know. Basically, I just want to show you the start. Yep, I think that's it. So, that's the FIFA 13 cover game. Yep. Alright, thank you guys. Please favorite, subscribe and comment. Bye.